guys, welcome back to the channel. Tried recording this video earlier, but my record my desktop kinda stopped working at some point, so now I'm just redoing this recording. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Fern Wifi cracker to be able to crack nearby Wi-Fi. Go into your wireless attacks and open Fern Wifi cracker. And then close that off, select your interface. Scan for access points. And the range on this is pretty decent. I've seen it go up to like 6,000 detected down here. But I could probably do more. So go into your Wi-Fi, and I'm just going to be using my own Wi-Fi for this exercise. Now, down here, it's going to ask you to choose a word list. I already have one selected. But if you don't know where to go, click on Browse. And then, let's see, extras, you can choose this common word list. Or you can go into Share. Going to like a dictionary attack. If you want to do the dictionary word list here, it's going to be under DICT. So, word list probable is also a good one to try out. Open that. And once you have that selected, you can go ahead and click on Wi-Fi attack. And it will start probing the access point. It will deauthenticate the network to get the handshake. Once it has the handshake, it will try to brute force the encryption using the word list you chose. I'll just let that run its course here, so you can see what it looks like. So, if you don't find the password using that word list and you want to try to crack it later, let me show you how to get the captured handshake. So, open up your terminal, and you have to sudo su. And if you have a password set up, put in your password. Have that already on this one, so the directory that it's going to be on, also, it's going to take you to home-cali when you go sudo su the first time. So just do \cd and it will just link that path out. And then you want to go into the directory that has the captured handshake. So cd /tmp /firm-log /wpa-dump. Hit enter. And thanks to Mr. Vegano on reddit.com for providing this answer, because I couldn't find the path to where the word list was, or where the handshake was stored. So hit enter, and then ls, and you can see the captured handshake right there. So to be able to move it into a directory that you can access, and you can move it out of without being a super user, mv, and then type in the name of the file. Make that bigger so you can see. Type in the name of the file. It's going to be the cat file, and then the directory afterwards. So home-cali-documents, and hit enter. And then if we go back cd, clear out the path, and go cd home-cali-documents ls, we can see it's stored there. So you can grab it from over here, open folder, and drag it into whatever USB card you have stored. If you want to store it into a USB card, just try to crack it later. There you go, guys and gals. That's how you use Fern Wifi Cracker. This one is pretty interesting because most of the modern routers have DOS protection, or like DOS. They're more, they're less vulnerable to like DOS attacks if they have like DOS protection. And I believe my router has that as well, but it was able to knock it off anyways pretty quickly. I was able to de-authenticate it pretty quickly. So super reliable. I think this is probably the most reliable when it comes to DOSing a network to knock it off, to capture the handshake. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on this tool. It's pretty cool. And I'll see you next time.